Hey there, future entrepreneurs. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something incredibly exciting for you, a step-by-step guide on how to make money online with affiliate marketing. Yes, you heard it right. Affiliate marketing, the secret sauce to financial independence. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all things finance and affiliate marketing. Now let's jump right in. Segment 1, the Affiliate Marketing Blueprint. So you want to make money online, right? Well, affiliate marketing is your golden ticket. It's like having your own money-making machine. Let's break it down. Imagine this as your roadmap to success. You promote other people's products, and for every sale made through your unique link, earn a commission. It's that simple. Segment 2. Finding lucrative niches. Now let's talk about finding those golden opportunities. It's all about choosing the right niche, a topic you're passionate about and where people are eager to spend money. Look for niches with products that solve problems or fulfill desires. Remember, the more targeted your audience, the higher your chances of success. Segment 3. Building your online presence. Building a strong online presence is crucial. You need a platform where you can connect with your audience, whether it's a blog, YouTube channel, or social media. Consistency is key. Develop a content calendar, engage with your audience, and establish yourself as an authority in your niche. This builds trust, and trust leads to conversions. Segment 4. Monetizing your content. Now let's talk about the moolah. How do you turn those clicks into cash? It's time to monetize your content strategically, whether it's blog posts, videos, or podcasts. Integrate your affiliate links seamlessly. Educate and entertain your audience while guiding them to the products you recommend. Segment 5. Scaling your affiliate business. Congratulations! You've set the foundation, but let's take it to the next level. Scaling your affiliate business. Explore different traffic sources, experiment with new products, and continually optimize your strategies. The sky's the limit, and there you have it, your blueprint to unlock affiliate riches. Remember, success in affiliate marketing takes time and dedication. But with the right mindset and strategies, you can achieve finance. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your fellow aspiring entrepreneurs. Until next time, stay hustling. Thanks you for watching us. Stay tuned with us for latest information.